Alright, welcome back to another hacking tutorial from Stealth Data Zero. In this video I'm going to show you how you control your computer from your phone or from your from another computer. Now this can come in handy for many reasons. For instance, you can have a USB stick with malware on it. Stick the USB stick in and then right from your phone control the payload. That calls back to your local that calls back to your home network. Sorry, I just ran out of breath there real quick. But Teamviewer is a great program. It allows you to control the full power of Kali Linux right from your phone or from another computer, and it just gives you the full ability to do everything you can without any glitches or using any memory on your phone. It just uses internet. So you just want to go to this web page right here, https://teamviewer.com en-us/download/linux. Okay. Then you want to click the Linux download. And you need to click either 32-bit or 64-bit depending on what bit of Linux you're running. You're most likely running 64-bit unless your computer is 32-bit. And right here is the 64-bit. So you just click download. I've already done this. So once the file downloads, I've already done it, so I'm not gonna go through the download process already again. I'll go ahead and save it just so you guys can see the original file, but you just save it. Again, 32-bit for 32-bit systems, 64-bit for 64-bit systems. You're probably running 64-bit. 32-bit will run on any architecture. Go to your folder, downloads, and cut this and put it in your home folder. Now I renamed it Teamviewer like so. I just put the H there so I don't have a duplicate folder. So cut that and put it in your home folder. And you can see that I have teamviewer.deb in my home folder. Now you need to just enter a few commands. So do apt-get update, and I'll pull up the command list. So here's the full commands that you need to just run, and just run these commands. The quickest way I found to do it is just apt-get update. If you don't want any errors at all, run all the commands, but apt-get update, then apt-get add architecture i386, then dpkg teamviewer.deb. Because you changed the file name, it's just going to be teamviewer.deb, so all of this won't be there. And then hit apt-get install tac f or apt-get tac f install, and then apt-get update, and then your Teamviewer should run fine. So I'll just go ahead and show you those commands in the terminal in the order I pressed them in. So I did this first, then I did this second, Then I did this third, and that's not part of it. And then I did apt-get install next, and then apt-get update. And then what you do, you can just go to here and type Teamviewer, and then click it to start it, or left click it to add it to your favorites system, and it will allow you to use Teamviewer, and it will open up. Now I'm not going to open it up because it will show my password to allow to control my computer, but I am going to control the Kali Linux box from my Android device. And as you can see, I have Teamviewer running. Now I can't open up this tab because it will show my password I used to control the system. But this is how you know that I'm have Teamviewer controlling the box. It's on my Android device. You just download the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store, and I'm able to move the mouse around remotely using my Android device, and use Kali Linux to its full potential without any issues or problems. You can type, you can do everything that you need to do, launch Metasploit payloads, run your server, but you have full control over your Kali Linux box using just your Android device. And it doesn't get much better than that. As you can see, I'm typing, I'm moving the mouse around, and this is all from my Android device. And you can do this from anywhere. It doesn't require port forwarding or anything like that. And just having the power of Kali Linux full on your Android device, it doesn't get much cooler than that. And again, you can control it from another computer as well. So think of the possibilities. They really are endless. So that's how you install Teamviewer and control your Kali Linux box from another computer or cellular device remotely. And like I said, just open up the program. You'll see the number, and you enter the number on the app on your phone, and then the password it gives you, and then it will give you control. You can set up your own password, and you can set up unattended access, and you'll just be able to log in anytime you want. But the number saves on your phone, so you'll be able to log in anytime you want anyways.
Hey, and just to help you guys out just a little bit more, here's how you download the app. I know it's very easy to download apps, but you just go to the Google Play Store. Type in Teamviewer. And then install that app, and then go ahead and open it up. And that's how you install Teamviewer on your phone. On Windows, obviously, it's very easy. The installation process will walk you through it, but that's how you can control it from your phone. We'll go ahead and hit open. Then you enter the ID of the computer you want to control here, and you're good to go. You can also sign up and make an account, and that way you'll know whatever computer's online, and you'll just be able to click on that computer and then gain access that way. But that's for another video. So I'm just going to show you guys me quickly controlling the device or the Kali Linux box with Teamviewer and then end the video. I just wanted to show you guys how responsive and fast it is, and how good this actually works. So I was actually just git cloning scripts from the internet. So ls, we'll just list some scripts. I just git cloned get droid, so cd get droid. And this is an amazing script. You definitely want to check this out. It's undetectable by antivirus and works remotely without port forwarding and hacks Androids. ls. And as you can see right here, this is all on my Android. It's just like I just think it's one of the coolest things, honestly. The full power of Kali Linux right here. And if you have port forwarding or a tool like this where you don't need port forwarding, I can literally launch an Android payload from this Android and attack another Android. And then I have this, if you see up here in the corner, VPN with my VPN and fake GPS running as well. And this, as you can see over here in the corner, still controlling the same Linux box. And if you want, you can do things like this and switch over to computer keys. So you can still do tab completion, Control C, still backs out. And like I said, you can do computer keys and still do tab completion or whatever. There you go. See? So you can still do all that, and you can see I was doing git clones, and it's just very responsive, very easy to use. So yeah, this is just how you control Kali Linux, full power of Kali Linux, all of the tools. And Termex is cool and all, and I like using Termex, but this has a lot more benefits. Obviously, you can armor to its full extent, beef, any tool you have on Kali Linux, anything you can do on Kali Linux, you can do right from your Android device, and it's just amazing. So that's all I have for you guys. As always, have fun, stay safe, and keep hacking.